impressive building for a town in a country where apparently most of the people do not expect to have justice or to worry about trying to seek it. You video churches just because they're there and there's not much else to video. Get a little bit better look at the top of the cathedral. There's a pretty dark with a fountain that doesn't work, which is normal. Statue in the center commemorating somebody, or Bolivar or San Martin, but a pretty park, nicely maintained. And the hill up behind is where the ruins, Sexy Woman. It's the American pronunciation, or the English pronunciation. You can just begin to imagine how imposing it was, even the portion that was seen from here. Part that you see being excavated out there is probably at least immediately through that portal or arch, whatever its significance is, and I don't know, is the central market off to the left. And two more churches, and up past there before that second church is where the Arco de Santa Clara is. This is the central market, but it's closed now, and I think it's probably close to 3 or 4, so probably opens early in the morning, shuts down at 12. Another church. Notice these are rather simply built, just out of the stone. That looks like a layer than the first part. And then the decorations left for immediately around the door and above it. There's another church, much plainer than all the rest. If you're going to catalog them, you may as well get them all. Impressive looking doorways. Here you can see reality setting in. This building may use that normal cement grid structure. I think I may faintly see it, but I'm not sure. But it doesn't look like it's working because you can see how it's breaking away at the front, now propped up by logs. One wonders why there's even any attempt to preserve it unless somebody's still living in it, which seems insane. On the other hand, when you look through it, there appear to be some pretty arches, and it could be that inside that courtyard is beautiful. Another peek inside. Here it looks like this owner, which I think may be a hostel, has taken the initiative to restore that corner. Kind of pretty. There's a pretty little park next to a church, nicely maintained, and not all that many people around here. And another church. My guess is that this park is perhaps a convent or some kind of building associated with the church. Another cute little parklet, kind of near the square, not too far away from it, and a pretty little street, probably lined with little restaurants and shops. And it may actually be alluding to the Incas architecture with these water channels. Whether in fact the Incas used them this way or not, I don't know. This is a small restaurant on a side street off the main square. It's still tourist space, but it's for the cheapskates like me. And a whole bunch of them, and they do everything they can to get you in.
Estudio 92, número 1 en tu música.
180 view from my hostel window.